So in this video I'm going to show you some of the Speedtech lights I have throughout the truck, including the Z-6 linears, which I have all over. I have the Ceptor 8 traffic advisor as well up top there, underneath my light bar, down there. So I'll go turn them on. I'll turn the strobes on the Z-6 linears. I have mine wired up to my upfitter switches, so that's going to turn on all my STL products, as long as my I have wheel and headlight strobes. Those will be on as well. Daytime or nighttime, these things are bright. Even, in my opinion, they're brighter than some of the Code 3 strobes are that are in the same subcategory here. I have products from STL also on multiple other trucks of mine. This is just my newest setup here. So those are the Z6 linears. Now let me show you the traffic advisor and the Ceptor 8 that we have here. STL just came out with a brand new switch box, which in my opinion is a lot better than the old one. So I have my power, and we have this little switch here. It says slow and fast. This is pretty much going to regulate or moderate how fast the flash pattern is. So for example, center out, we're in slow right now. Is a lot slow for slow pace. Now, when I flip that to fast, it's a lot quicker. Now that same feature also works in the flash mode here, and also on the switch box here. We have power, flash. You can obviously change the flash by hitting that. Then they also give you an aux. So I could hit this. I don't have anything into it right now, but I could hit this, and I could also wire in my grill lights or whatever into that switch. They give you a nice little cable for that. So this is the flash pattern I like. So it just kind of alternates and picks out. Right now we're on the fast mode. So now when I switch over to slow, you slow down quite a bit. Only thing is the wire they provide you with is 13 feet. That is not nearly enough to get even halfway down the vehicle, at least for this. So if you're looking at buying this, put in a back window, even a pickup truck like this, it may not be big, but you're going to need the extension cable. You're going to need some other alternative to make that work for you. Turn everything on for you real quick, just for the STL products. So as I said, all these in the grill are Z6 linears. I have them in amber clear split. These are also Z6 linears. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 10 just in the back here alone. So that's all I got for you. If you got any questions, you can comment, and I can answer if I know the answers. Thank you.